How to fix Marble Rivals not launching. Hi everybody, in this video I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Marble Rivals not launching. In that case, what you could do is, first of all, you could check the game's property. So for that, you actually want to come to library section and then locate Marble Rivals and right click on the mouse, go to properties, and there you could go ahead and configure some of these steps. Likewise, the next thing what you could do is you could come to Steam and you could also try checking for an update. So come to this settings where you have this, click on Steam from the top left hand side corner, go to check for Steam updates. And then if you have any update available, it's gonna be automatically done. And restart your PC and try launching, see that will be able to solve your issue or not. Likewise, if the issue still persists on, you could also check for compatibility or maybe modify as well. So what you need to do is here, you want to locate Steam, right click on the mouse, then go to open file location. And when you open up the file location, then you want to locate Steam, right click on the mouse, go to properties. As you go to properties, come to compatibility tab and make sure to go ahead and make sure to select run this program in a compatibility mode, as well as run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click the OK button. Now then, try launching the game and see whether that should have solved your issue or not. Likewise, if the issue still persists, then the last option is to simply uninstall Steam from your device, reinstall the updated version. That should be able to help you out. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.